Welcome to the Chobe River in Botswana, where peace and wilderness exist in perfect harmony. Feel the stillness as you drift along, surrounded by Africa's raw beauty. From mighty elephants to stealthy predators, every moment is alive with nature's rhythm. A Chobe boat safari isn't just a trip, it's an unforgettable journey into the heart of the wild. Let's start the journey now. Thank you for joining us on this incredible journey. If you loved this adventure, don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Until next time, keep exploring, stay wild, and let nature lead the way.